Alright, so guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create your form. Okay, the form that is going to be collecting the leads. Okay, something like this. Alright, it's just going to show the name, the email, and the phone number, and then it's going to squeeze in the information and send it to you. Alright, so how can you set this up? Right here we're going to set up the form using the Groove Mail platform. Okay, Groove Funnels give you an email marketing software where you can build your email lists and the email marketing campaigns. Okay, so if you are on a page like this, go ahead and exit out of this page. Okay, come right here where it says exit and click on this button right here. Click on these three icons right here and then just click on the Groove Mail. Real quick guys, make sure you save this project. Okay, make sure you save your work right here. Click on the save button, and if you're ready to publish your page, go ahead and publish your page. Click on the publish button right here, and then you can host your site with the Groove Pages, and your site is gonna come with the groovepages.com domain name, or if you have your own domain, you can go ahead and create and link this web page to your domain. Okay, I'm gonna cover that in another video, but for now let's create the form. Okay, so click on the Groove Mail link right here, and it's gonna take you to Groove Mail. All right, so let's do that real quick. So after you go to your Groove Mail dashboard, it's gonna show you a page similar to this. Okay, so on the left hand side, click on the leads, where it says leads, and then you click on the lists right here. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to first create your list. Okay, a list is kind of like a container where your email leads are going to be saved. Okay, kind of like a bucket, okay, which saves all your contact information. Okay, it saves the email, name, and phone number of the people. Okay, so go right here, click on the list, and then right here where it says new lists, click on the new list button in order to create a list. Okay, name your lists. Let's see, San Diego home buyers. And then if you want to put any description that's gonna tell you more about what the list is, you can put in a description. Okay, this is for your personal reference. Okay, if you have a bunch of lists right here, and later on it's gonna get kind of like confusing. Okay, so if you want to remind yourself what this list is for, you can go ahead and add a description. Okay, right here I'm just gonna create a list. Okay, description field is required, we have to put it. Okay, list of home buyers San Diego. Okay, so click on the create list button right here, and guys, it's gonna create your list. It's gonna tell you an active contact is you have 0 leads right here, and this is the date it was created on. Okay, so you now have your lists. The next thing you're gonna do is to create your form. Okay, create a form right here that is gonna be collecting the leads. Okay, so this is how it's gonna work. People are gonna come on this page right here, and they're gonna click on the button, and then the pop-up form is gonna come out. Okay, let me show you what it's gonna look like. This is the pop-up right here. If you create a new pop-up, it's gonna come out in front of the screen. Okay, and then in the pop-up we're gonna have the form embedded in the pop-up. Okay, so the form now is what we want to create with our email, with our Groove Mail app. Okay, so go ahead and click on the forms right here, and then go ahead and select the new form button right here to create your new form. Okay, name it anything. Okay, San Diego home buyer. Save it. Bingo, guys. So this is where you're gonna set up your form. The form fields, that is the name, the email, the first name, and the settings and everything. Okay, so the first thing is you want to collect the first name. Okay, I want to get the first name right here, then I want to get the email, then I want to get the phone number. Okay, so right here where it says new field, go ahead and click on the new field button, and then go ahead and click on the drop down menu right here under field identifier. Click on the drop down menu and look for phone number. Okay, look at the phone right here, click on phone. Okay, so this is going to be collecting people's phone number. Okay, and then save. Click on the save button. Then right here it's going to bring in the phone number field right here and attach it to the form. Okay, so and I want the phone to come second. Okay, or let's say the email comes second. You could decide to arrange it any way you like, and then hit the save and next. Okay, the next option is going to take you to number 2 right here, opt-in settings. Okay, do you want it to be a single opt-in or a double opt-in? Guys, you don't want to select double opt-in. Okay, double opt-in means when people put in their email information, they're gonna have to go back, log into their email, and then confirm the email that you send the information to. Okay, so this is gonna lose you leads. You just want to go after the single opt-in option. Okay, they don't have to confirm the email address. Okay, so select single opt-in, and right here where it says success page, click on the success page, and then this is the page where we want to take them after they submit the lead information. Okay, so maybe this is going to be kind of like a thank you page. All right, in the next video I'm going to cover how to quickly do your thank you page. Okay, so after you have a thank you page, then you can come grab the link to the thank you page after you publish the page and then put in the link right here. Okay, but for now we don't have a thank you page. We're gonna keep going. Later when we create the success thank you page, we're gonna come back here and put it right here. Okay, so now let's go to the next option. For now, let's just take it to the, let's see, to google.com as an example. Okay, so save and next. All right, so guys, this is very crucial. This is the first email you're gonna send people when they become a lead. Okay, this email is gonna contain the information that gives them access to the reports. Okay, to the free reports you promised them right from the ad. Okay, so click on the send by email right here. Okay, this is like a welcome email. Right, so sender name is going to be the name of your accounts, your GrooveFunnel accounts, and the sender from email is going to be the name of your GrooveFunnel email. Okay, and you want to keep it super personal. You don't want to put some business email right here or something. Just keep it personal. Okay, so the subject is very important in email. You can write something like, here is the free reports you requested, download now in brackets. Okay, and a little bit of this. Okay, or you can decide to put in homes list under just put in something like this. Okay, then the preview text, guys, this is just like an extra explanation to know what you're doing. You don't have to put it, just leave it blank. Okay, so this is where we're going to create the email. All right, so real quick, we're going to type something. I'm going to pause this video and I'm going to type out a copy right here. Okay, and after I'm done, I'm going to get back to this video. A copy right here, and right now let's grab this copy and then paste it right here. Okay, paste it right here. I've already done that. Okay, it says hey, first name. Okay, so make sure you add the first name tag right here. Okay, this is gonna populate whatever the first name is, and then it's gonna put it right here. Okay, and then this email is gonna get sent to them whenever they opt in to our email. Okay, so right here, this is the link. Okay, you can put in any link that's gonna give them access to download the free report. Okay, so if you want to put in a link, just highlight the text, and then maybe you could say click here instead of this. click here, and then highlight the text, and then right here, this click on this link icon right here, this chain icon, and then put in the link of, you know, it can be a Google Drive link in order to, you know, give them access to the reports. Okay, but right now, since I don't have any link right here, we're just gonna put Google. Okay, let's just put google.com to test. All right, so this is your email is set up, and you can add in your name right here, make it more personalized. And then if you want to add in your picture, you can put a picture of yourself right here, make it more personalized. Okay, if you want to add an image right here, hit on this icon right here, and then it's gonna give you access. You can upload your image right here and select the image. Okay, your personal image. Okay, and then hit on the select button, and it's gonna add your image right here. Okay, so we're done with this, and then make sure everything is great, right? The subject line and everything. Okay, so then hit on the save and next button to go to the next option. All right, so guys, right here where it says lists right here, this is super important. Okay, you want to add the lists which we first created. Okay, remember in the beginning we created a list. Okay, so that is the list that is going to contain every lead information that comes in from this opt-in form right here. Okay, anybody who decides to put in their email, their phone number, the information is gonna get saved in this list right here. So you have to select this list. Okay, so hit on the drop down menu and select the list we've already created. Okay, and then hit on the add button, and it's gonna hit on the add button, and it's gonna add the list right here. Okay, then hit on the save and next, and then it's going to take you to congratulations, your form has been created. Now right here where it says JavaScript code, okay, embed code JavaScript, you want to click on the JavaScript code option right here, and then grab this code right here. Okay, this single straight line code, copy the entire code, copy it to your clipboard, and then this is where you want to paste it. Okay, go right here to your pop-up form. Okay, right here where it says pop-ups, click on the pop-up, and then if you don't have a pop-up, click on the plus icon and then create a pop-up. Okay, but right now I already have a pop-up. Okay, so select your pop-up, right here, and then this is going to be your pop-up. Select a design. We've already done that in the previous video. And then this is important right here where it says elements, click on the elements section, and then scroll all the way down. Okay, under the other section right here, you want to grab this element right here, the code embed element. Okay, grab it and drop it right here. It's gonna add in the code embed element right here. Then click on this, embed your code here. Right here you're gonna see a little gear icon, like a settings icon. Okay, click on the icon, and then this is where you're gonna paste that code. Okay, this code information you just copied, and you can save and exit. Okay, click on the save and exit, copy this code, grab the code, and then paste the code snippet here, and then hit on the save button. Okay, and guys, give it some time. It's gonna load the form which we just created over here. Okay, it's gonna load the form and put it on this opt-in pop-up. Okay, so guys, you can customize this right here. So edit this information and add in some copy, put in your best email and phone number below to get instant access. Okay, phone number All right, so this is our form is good to go. Okay, so after you're done with everything, hit on the save and exit right here. Okay, all right, and guys, you want to get rid of a lot of elements on the page to keep it super simple. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna get rid of a lot of elements right here. Confirm, scroll down right here and get rid of all these extra elements. Remember, keep this page super simple. Okay, do not even add any logo or anything right here. You can add a little link here to the privacy policy or whatever links you want to add, but I'm not even going to do that. Okay, so now the page is super simple. And real quick, if you want to add some design to your page right here, you can add the, come right here, click on the background right here, the blue color, click on the background and go to the right hand side of the page, and where it says background right here, click on the background option. It's gonna bring you to the drop down menu, and then you can select an image. Okay, so if you want to create something like this, something similar to this, where there's a beautiful, kind of like a beautiful home backdrop, you can add it. Okay, but again, you can keep it super simple with just a plain white background and it's still gonna work, guys. This has generated a ton of leads for us. Okay, so go right here and click on choose image, choose the image and then upload the image, or you could select from free stock photos if you don't have any picture from your laptop. Okay, from your computer, and hit on the free stock photos and then you can search. Okay, search for, let's say, home, and hit the enter key on your keyboard, and it's gonna, what is this, dog? Oh my god. All right, so this is a bunch of free pictures you can use. Okay, let's use this one right here. This one looks cool. And then select, it's uploading. All right, this is the picture right here. It's loading the image, and then hit on the select button right here. Okay, so guys, as you can see, it looks really awesome right now. Okay, so but the text isn't standing out. Okay, the text isn't standing out, so all you have to do is find out a way, figure it out. Okay, figure out a way to create kind of like a box, right? A black box like this. Okay, so that you can then add your texts on that that box container. Okay, this is just to make your text stand out from the background. Okay, so let's try to do that. All right, so right here, this is an empty container. If you don't see a container right here, just click on the elements option right here and then select the container. Okay, take the container, drag and drop it on your page. Okay, so I've already done that. I already have an empty container. Then you click on the container right here. When you click on the container, it's gonna bring these options right here. So you want to go to the background and then select the color. Okay, let's make it black, totally black, and see how it's gonna look like. Oh my god, yeah, it's black, but this is too black. Let's add some transparency. No, yeah. So then now you can select the texts. You can pick, drag and drop the text and then put it right here on this black container. Okay, but right now I don't want my page to be that way. I want it to be super simple. Why not go for the simple method if it works? Okay, so all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna undo this option. I'm gonna undo this. I'm gonna keep undoing this until I get back to the place where I added. All right, this is where I'm headed to. Okay, real quick, let me get rid of this and get rid of this. All right, guys, so this is super simple. Okay, if you think this page is boring, all you have to do is add some graphic design right here. Okay, or you can add a background picture like I just showed you. Okay, but right now, for the sake of this tutorial, I don't want this video to be too long. I'm gonna leave it this way, okay, just to show you that it works. All right, so real quick, when you finish, then hit on the publish button right here. You can save and then hit on the publish. You want to publish your work, then you can decide to host the site with the Groove Pages, or if you have your own domain, you can connect your domain. Okay, and Groove Funnels have a lot of tutorials showing you how to connect your domain. Okay, so right here you can get a domain from Namecheap. It's just $10, namecheap.com, or you can get another one from GoDaddy. Okay, GoDaddy.com or Namecheap. Okay, go get a domain. It's very simple. A lot of video tutorials on YouTube can guide you on how to do that, and then come over here and connect your domain. Okay, but right now I don't have a domain to connect this site, so all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select the Groove Pages option. All right, so let's choose a name for our sites. San Diego Home Buyers. Alright, so then click on the publish. Alright, so once your page is successfully live, it's gonna show you right here, content saved. Alright, it's gonna say changes usually go live within a few minutes, but it may take longer. Okay, so publish again. You can hit the publish button again to double check. Alright, so this is your landing page right here, and it's live and it's working great. So now let's test how the landing page looks. Let's test how it works. Okay, so real quick, this is the sites. I decided to host it with Groove Funnels for the main time before I get my own domain. And then slash, and then the name of the page. Put the name of the page right here, San Diego Home Buyers. Right, San Diego Home Buyers, and let's see if that works. Beautiful. Oops, guys, something is wrong, so let's go check what is wrong with this page right here. Alright, so I figured out the mistake. Okay, right here you have to select the option first. Okay, right here you have to click on the check mark right here to select that you want to host your site with Groove Pages first. And when you select the host site, then you add in the name of the page, and then you publish. Okay, now it's published, and we hope it works. And it usually takes a few minutes sometimes, but I hope it's supposed to work. Alright, so you could decide just to click on this blue text right here. It's actually a link, so just click on the link right here after publishing, and bingo, guys, this is your simple web page. Guys, in less than 30 minutes I've designed your landing page right here. So all you have to do is make it a little bit better. Go figure out the way to do things, like adding the text onto this right here, onto the black container right here, and then add your background if you want to add a beautiful picture. And then, guys, this is a professional landing page. So now let's test how it works. Okay, let's test this page. Okay, so the person is gonna see an ad on Facebook like this. The person is gonna click the link to claim their free reports, and the person will be taken to a simple page like this. Okay, all right. The person is gonna click on the send it to me button, send it to me. And don't forget, okay, don't forget, if you see any error, go back and figure things out. Right here there's an error. Okay, so I haven't connected this button to the pop-up. Okay, I want, if the person clicks on the button, it should bring out the pop-up. Okay, so we have to select this button and then go right here where it says configure and then link to, and we want to link it to pop-up. And which pop-up? We want to link it to the main pop-up. Don't forget, we came here and we created the pop-up. Okay, and then hit on updates. Okay, and then when you hit on the update button, then you publish this site. Okay, you publish the change. All right, after it's done, then you can decide to come over here and refresh the page. Okay, so let's now test it again. All right, guys, this is the opt-in right here. You can see this is our opt-in form, and this is the form we created with GrooveMail. Okay, so they're gonna go ahead and put in their first name, Cynthia. They're gonna put in their email, cynthiamorganbay@gmail.com. Cynthia is actually my sister. Okay, so I'm using her email to test all these tutorials. Okay, so they're gonna put in their phone number. Okay, then they're gonna submit. Let's see, is that complete? Yeah, that is complete because 1 2 3 okay, one number left. And then they're gonna hit on the submit button right here, and then it's gonna take them to the success page. If you have a thank you page, it should take them to the thank you page. And in the next tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through quickly what to say in your thank you page to increase conversions. Okay, so it should take you to the thank you page. In the thank you page would say something like, okay, the report has been sent to your email. Go ahead, go log into your email and access the report. Okay, and then yeah, you want to model after success, so go ahead and come to the page like this and see what the thank you page looks like. Okay, in the next video I'm going to walk you through how the thank you page looks like. And then real quick, let's go back to the email and see if the email is going to be sent. Okay, so let's log into the Cynthia Morgan Bay Gmail and see if the welcome email is gonna be sent. Okay, all right, guys, beautiful. It has been sent right here in the primary inbox. Okay, not even in the spam tab or the promotions tab, but right here in the inbox. Okay, it says here's the free report you requested. So right here, if you do this with your GrooveFunnels account, it's gonna show your name instead. Okay, instead of my name. Okay, here's the free report you requested, homes list under, and they're gonna click on the link, and then guys, look at the email we just set up. Okay, and then this is gonna be the link to download the free report. Okay, James Harry. Okay, they're gonna click on this link, and then it's gonna take them to the download page to get their free report. Okay, so guys, that is how to create a simple landing page like this right here, or this right here, which is gonna collect people's lead information, okay, in exchange for a free report. All right, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video.